Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I would like to say thank you very much for coming in my videos. My name is Benika Nurul Hasana. I am from class 2B of Medical Record and Health Information Management. In this presentation, the topic is quantitative analysis and qualitative analysis. So please listen carefully. The first one, definition of quantitative analysis. Quantitative analysis is the important part of the contents of medical records with the aim of finding specific deficiencies related to recording medical records. It can also be called an analysis of incompleteness, but in terms of forms that must exist, and in terms of completeness of filing in all question items on the form in accordance with the service provided to patient. Quantitative analysis is carried out by medical record staff who knows about or from the must exist type of form to use types, the person who has the right to chart medical records, the person who has to legalize the writing. Purpose of quantitative analysis: to identify incomplete parts that can easily be corrected by the presence of a procedure so that the medical record becomes more complete and can be used for patient care, protection of legal case, compliance with regulation, and accurate statistical analysis. Completeness of medical records in accordance with the regulation, stipulate period of time, licensing, accreditation, other certificate requirements. Knowing things that have the potential to pay compensation. Quantitative analysis components. The first one, check patient identification at each medical record site. Review of recordings, they're all the important reports, and review authentication. Sample case, each facility or hospital has different rules, so quantitative analysis also varies greatly depending on interest. Hospital B only review the signatures and reports required of accreditation and licensing. This hospital only review the records in the medical records in detail from special purpose for medical staff. Medical records are taken by sampling. Result, quantitative analysis medical record. From the analysis, it is expect identify deficiency record that must be complete by the health service provider immediately. Knowing the things it has the potential for pay compensation, completeness of medical record in accordance with the stipulated time period, regulation, licensing, accreditation, requirements for other certificate. And now we go to qualitative analysis. Definition of qualitative analysis: a review of the filing of medical records related to consistency and their contents is evidence that the medical record is accurate and complete. Purpose of qualitative analysis: the first one supports the quality of information, is an activity of hospital management, completeness informed consent according to regulation, identify inconsistent records, reminiscence of good mutilation, and show less record keeping. Qualitative analysis components: the first one, review the completeness and consistency of the diagnosis, and review the consistency of diagnostic records, review records of things that are done during treatment and medication, review for any informed consent that should be available, review the record-keeping method or practice, review matters that could potentially lead to claims for compensation. Sample case for qualitative analysis: Hospital A review records and there are complications on the record in which it was not included in the entry and exit records. The left and right were reversed. Improvement can be made with readapting the form design. As for the expectation to the person who filed out or record the medical record, provide training to service providers, remove the doctor honorarium, which is always wrong in recording the progress of the patient visit. Result, qualitative analysis medical record. From this analysis, it is expect identification of inconsistent and absent records may also reflect a potential clinical motive to pay for damage. Completeness of IC in accordance with established regulation and even that causes injury may occur will expose more facilities and service providers to the authorities and cause the facilities and the service providers to pay compensation suffered by the patient. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.